Assalamu alaikum everyone. Sadia Gondal here from Javed Publishers. Today we will be doing Grade 4 English chapter number 12. The topic is safety rules and we will be doing question and answers of this chapter today. So let's start. Focus section in which we have to learn about alphabetical order in a glossary. First of all, what is a glossary? Glossary is a special collection of terms related to a specific field. जैसे अगर आप स्पोर्ट्स की बात करें तो स्पोर्ट्स के कुछ खास टर्म्स हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सिक्सर, एम्पायर, टीम, ये सारी टर्म्स क्या शो करती हैं? स्पोर्ट्स को. इसी तरह से यहाँ पे रोड रूल्स के लिए इन्होंने ग्लॉसरी बनाई है. एक्सीडेंट, रोड, सीट बेल्ट, ट्रैफिक, व्हीकल, जीब्रा क्रॉसिंग, ये सारे अल्फाज सेफ्टी रूल्स या ट्रैफिक रूल्स की ग्लॉसरी या ट्रैफिक रूल्स की टर्म्स हैं या ट्रैफिक रूल्स के वर्ड्स हैं. तो ग्लॉसरी एक कलेक्शन ऑफ वर्ड्स होता है जो एक खास सब्जेक्ट के बारे में होता है. ठीक है. एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर मींस कि वी हैव टू राइट anything in the order of the alphabets, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. यहाँ पे on page number 86 you have been asked to give the words in alphabetical order and also tell the meanings. Now here अगर आप alphabetically देखें तो इसमें पहला word आएगा L, क्योंकि ABCD में L पहले आता है, तो ये आपका पहला word हो जाएगा. फिर देखिए दूसरा word इस लिस्ट में आएगा pedestrian, क्योंकि ABCD अगर हम पढ़ें तो L के बाद P आता है. फिर थर्ड word आएगा Q, फोर्थ सिग्नल्स, फिफ्थ स्ट्रीट और सिक्स्थ व्हीकल्स. चलिए अब इनके मीनिंग्स कर लेते हैं. लिटरिंग मीन्स throwing waste. Pedestrian mean one who walks on the road. Street means narrow lane. Signals mean hints. Q means line. Vehicles mean transport. Now let's talk about the grammar section. The section is grammar. And the grammar section is about the pointing words. The way we indicate anything, the placement or the place, we use pointing words. For example, this, that, these, it. These are pointing to something. यहाँ पे examples check करें. This is a busy road. Here, this is telling that the road on which we are standing is a busy road. Then we have that. That means some place that is a little far away. Again, these traffic lights, ये जो traffic lights हमें सामने नजर आ रही हैं, we're talking about them. And it is a park. Again, this it is showing that this is a park. So next question है, use the above pointing words in sentences of your own. तो चलें इनके sentences बनाते हैं. This is a colorful storybook. Sentence number 2, that is the waiting area for patients. Sentence number 3, these cars should be driven slowly. And sentence number 4, it is a market. Page number 86 पे we will be learning about past continuous tense. Past means something done previously, पहले से कोई चीज जो हमने की हुई है, और continuous mean जो होती रही, continue होती रही. So let's check out the formula and the examples. For examples, formula would be subject would come first. Subject over here is you. Was and were are the verbs. Base form of the verb is watching and object is last night. तो चलें इसका अपना एक सेंटेंस बनाते हैं, बिकॉज बिल्कुल लास्ट में आपको ये भी कहा गया है कि मेक 2 affirmative and 2 negative and 2 interrogative sentences using past continuous tense. तो हमारा अपना एक सेंटेंस होगा, I was enjoying the match last night. Here was is showing past and enjoying is showing the continuous tense that I was doing it continuously last night. Negative sentences में let's see the example. She was not studying properly. और हम इसका अपना एक सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. He is not interested. Sorry, cut. She was not helping her friend in doing homework. Then interrogative sentences start with question. तो यहाँ पे आप देखें past continuous tense का interrogative sentence है, was Ahmed helping them? And the example sentence can be, was Ali talking to them? So here was is the question sentence, Ahmed is the subject over here, helping is the verb, and them is the object over here. On page number 87, there are types of sentences Sentences telling instruction, in which we tell someone to do something. For example, fold the piece of paper. The second type of sentence is command, in which we order to do something. For example, do not drive fast or do not shout. Then the other type of sentence is request, in which we ask somebody to do something politely. For example, please keep quiet. And the fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence, which shows feeling or emotions. For example, how exciting the boys were. So let's do part number 6 now. We have to write down the kind of sentences in the notebook. A is what a lovely day it is. This is exclamatory sentence. B, beat these eggs properly. This is command. C, can you help me in this project? This is a request. इसके बाद आपकी आ रही हैं writing skills, and you have to write a dialogue about qualities of a good citizen between two persons. So dear teachers, you can tell the students to talk about different qualities of a good citizen, which can be a good citizen is one who follows the traffic rules, who follows the laws of the country, who keeps the country clean. तो आप उनसे brainstorming करवाएं और बहुत सारे ideas निकलवाएं, and then they can put them down on the notebook. Then we have an activity of time. Look at the given clocks and read the time. So the first clock is showing 5:45. Now every clock that we see is divided into 4 quarters. तो अगर आप यहाँ पे notice करें, तो जब हम इसको quarter में divide करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे 4 pieces बनते हैं हमारे पास, 4 pies बनते हैं. तो अभी the time is not 6, but there are still 15 minutes left to 6. तो we would say 5:45, क्योंकि हमारे पास पूरा एक क्वार्टर बचा हुआ है 6 बजने में. फिर देखिए 11:45 in the next clock. Then 5:15. यहाँ पे why are we using past? Because एक, अगर आप नोटिस करें तो एक क्वार्टर गुजर गया है. It's 5 o'clock and it's 5:15. तो 15 minutes are past, तो हम कहेंगे 5:15. और दूसरा है 10:15, जो कि अगेन जिसका मतलब है कि 15 minutes have passed and the time is 10:15. तो चलें, let's put down the correct time in the clock. In the first clock, the time is 2:15. In the second clock, the time is 3:15. In the third clock, 2:45. Sorry, edit. 2:45. And in the last clock, the time is 8:15. Thank you very much for watching. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और जुड़े रहिएगा बोलती किताबों के साथ.